Join me as I show you how I protect my identity and crypto with a VPN and show how it really makes a difference. In today's digital age, protecting your crypto and your identity is more critical than ever. With cryptocurrency becoming increasingly popular, the risk of a cyber attack and identity theft is also on the rise. That's why VPNs have become a vital tool in safeguarding your online activities and keeping your crypto and identity secure. Cyber attacks and identity theft are rampant in the cryptocurrency space, and statistics are alarming. In 2020 alone, crypto-related crimes resulted in a loss of over $1 billion. Hackers are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities, and lack of regulation in the crypto space has made it an attractive target. If you're not taking measures to protect yourself, you're essentially putting a neon sign on your back, "Come and get me." It's not just individuals who are at risk. Either entire exchanges and wallets have been hacked, resulting in devastating losses for users. I've been using NordVPN since 2017 to protect myself. You need to have a high quality VPN to protect your crypto from being stolen. The major key to protecting yourself from hackers is protecting your identity. NordVPN is the best VPN for that. You can try it for 3 months for free using the link below. With the increasing number of decentralized finance or DeFi applications emerging, the need for robust security measures has never been more pressing. Many of the applications are built on public blockchains, which makes them more vulnerable to attacks. It's a cat and mouse game between hackers and security experts. As a crypto enthusiast, you need to stay one step ahead of the game. Think about it. When you're browsing online, your IP address is like a digital fingerprint, leaving a trail of your activities behind. And if you're not using a VPN, you're essentially broadcasting your location and activities to the world. It's like leaving your front door open and expecting no one to walk in. VPNs work by creating a secure, encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet, effectively masking your VPN address and protecting your data. For crypto users, this is especially important because it adds an extra layer of security, which when accessing exchanges, wallets, and other crypto-related platforms. When choosing a VPN or crypto protection, look for specific features like a military-grade encryption, a no logs policy, and robust server services. You can all find that in NordVPN. A good VPN can make all the difference in preventing crypto-related incidents. For instance, a VPN can ensure that your data remains protected even when using public Wi-Fi. We've all been there, stuck in an airport or a coffee shop, desperate to check our crypto investments, but unaware of lurking dangers. A VPN gives you the peace of mind to access your accounts without worrying about being hacked, for the most part. Taking the case of a crypto enthusiast who was careless about his online activities. He accessed his exchange account while using a Wi-Fi network. And before he knew it, his account was hacked and drained of thousands of dollars of crypto. If only he had used a VPN, he would have been protected from this devastating loss. In another instance, a crypto trader who was able to prevent a phishing attack thanks to his VPN. The VPN's built-in security features alerted him to the suspicious activities, and he was able to change his passwords and secure his accounts before it was too late, like NordVPN. There are countless stories of crypto users who have fallen prey to cyber attacks and identity theft. But there are also many who manage to safeguard their identity thanks to VPN protection. The question is, what category do you want to fall into? Protecting your crypto identity is more than just a precaution. It's actually a necessity. With VPN protection, you can browse online with confidence, knowing that your data and identity are secure. Remember, a VPN is not just an added layer of security, it's a safeguard against financial ruin. So thank you for joining me on the journey to protect my crypto identity with a VPN. If you have any experiences with crypto and security, I'd love to hear them in the comments below.